chapter. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can import the transaction. In accounting, you can click transaction import. Then you can basically see what format is required to import the data. Here you can see this import. This format is available here. I click browse, select the file, selected this file, and here I can see the amount. It will also show that the loan number mapped here. I click load batch. It will say that it's success. Then I select the batch which I just loaded. Click refresh. It will provide me the details of this for all the transactions. Now for this specific loan, it will not provide me the file number and account number also. It means this transaction is not mapped to any loan. So what I can do now is just click process. Select a bank account. So in which bank account I want to process this? I select, let's say, bank, and click process. Are you sure to process this transaction? So for loan number 461, 62, 63 and 64, I click yes, and these transactions will be processed. Now for this specific branch, I can select not processed, refresh. There will be one transaction which is not processed, and if I click processed, then there are 4 transactions which are processed. I can access this loan number 461 just to see if I can see the transaction 461. In transaction, I can see that whatever information was mentioned in the Excel file, it is captured here. This transaction is processed, and in installment, the amount is also updated here. I can check some other transaction 461 or maybe 464. 464. Installment. This installment transaction 1007. The second installment is showing as a, because I was expecting to receive decimal, but I received 1007. That's why the amount is also adjusted in the next installment. All right, but we can get that these transactions are processed here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.